Truschel of International Agribusiness Group with the global weather update for Thursday, April 21st. Looking at the big board, there are no upgrades or downgrades today. The areas in focus continue to be the dry southern plains and the wet Midwest. In the southern plains, I'd like to start today with an overview of the rainfall totals over the past 3 months. You can clearly see that while the southeast and Midwest have received plentiful rainfall, the western part of the southern plains have locally received as little as an inch or less. A storm beginning tonight will follow this pattern, bringing around half an inch for the southeastern plains, but nothing for the western regions. However, a disturbance lined up for Monday will track ever so slightly west of its predecessors, which will up the rain chances that the driest areas will see between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch of rain on Monday and Tuesday, with central Oklahoma seeing up to half an inch. Still, compared to the scope of the problem, these totals are small, so the DEFCON alert remains at 4. For the Midwest, yesterday was a rare, quiet day. Today will be similar, but the deluge starts up again in earnest overnight as a series of storms pushes in through Wednesday. There are no major changes from yesterday's guidance in the forecast, with weekly totals of around 1.5 inches to 2 inches for most of the region, but 4 inches or more locally along the Ohio River in eastern Missouri, southern Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. The DEFCON alert remains at 3 as this pattern continues into the extended frame. In the Delta region, a slow-moving thunderstorm complex along an outflow boundary brought rainfall to the southwest part of the region yesterday afternoon and into this morning. Scattered storms are possible for the next few days, but the heaviest rains will remain north of the Delta. Next line of thunderstorms rolls through on Tuesday and Wednesday, with fair planting weather resuming after that. DEFCON alert remains at 2. In the northern plains, there are no major changes to report. Below normal temperatures will persist into the weekend, and storms on Friday and Saturday will drop around 1 inch of rain, especially south and east. Storm track shifts south and east next week, so drier weather is expected for this region in the long term, which should lead to snow melt in earnest by middle of next week. DEFCON remains at 2, and now you're in the loop for April 21st.